I'm arresting you on suspicion of causing death by dangerous driving. You do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something which in later trial in court, anything you do say may be given in evidence. Necessity for your arrest is for a prompt and effective investigation. We need to ask you questions in an interview. Okay? Now to ask, I can't let you use your phone. I can't let you use your phone.
That's my property.
It will stay with you. I will keep it with me. I will stay with you.
Ring your mum. Now. Welcome to the one phone call I'm about to get.
No.
Can I just give him my keys for 2
No,
seconds?
we'll have the keys.
Come get him.
We'll have the
Come
keys.
get him.
We'll have the keys to the car.
You take them. You do that.
Thank you.